Understanding closet dividers, an essential organizing tool. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very useful but often overlooked item in home organization: closet dividers. These simple tools can make a huge difference in keeping your clothes and closet space neat and orderly. Let's dive into what they are and how they can be used effectively. Closet dividers are thin, flat objects used to separate different types of clothing in a closet. They are often made of plastic, wood, or metal and can easily hang on a closet rod. These dividers are designed to help you organize clothes by category, such as by type, color, or season. This makes finding what you need much easier and keeps your closet looking tidy. There are various types of closet dividers available. 1. Printed or labeled dividers. These have labels like shirts, pants, or dresses, helping you quickly identify where each item goes. 2. Blank or customizable dividers. You can write or stick labels on them according to your needs. 3. Decorative dividers. These not only serve the purpose of organizing but also add a decorative touch to your closet. To make the most of closet dividers, follow these tips. Sort your clothes into categories that make sense for you. Place a divider between each category. Label each divider if they're not already labeled. Regularly update the arrangement as you add or remove clothes. Closet dividers offer several benefits. They save time by making it easier to find what you're looking for. They help maintain order in your closet. They can maximize space by encouraging better organization. They are affordable and easy to implement. Closet dividers are a simple yet effective tool to keep your wardrobe organized. They are versatile, customizable, and can make a big difference in your daily routine. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the value of closet dividers. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.